Hi, my name is Jan Rex and I come from the Human University of Applied Sciences. We had a workshop on visualization. Visualization is to make a pictorial, illustrative presentations, sketches, drawings, infographics on some kind of complex things you want to make easy. Because you don't have to be complex drawer, but you can convey the messages and make the illustrative visual notes also with very simple figures, which are easy to understand from the viewer's point of view. And then we went towards the infographics, and the difference between the visual notes and infographics is that infographics handles more with the numbers, how we visualize the numbers and the statistical things to the textual and visual and graphical mode. And for that you can find dozens and dozens of applications and services, either to your smartphone, your tablet, or to your computer. But I wanted to show people that every one of you have already infographic in your PC, because PowerPoint is actually probably the best infographic tools you can find there. By combining Excel and PowerPoint, you can create actually very visual data, and to the PowerPoint you can import your own graphics or use the rich database of the graphics in PowerPoint. Next workshop was about the animation, and there we had two different workshops. One with the stop motion animation done with the Lego bricks or some objects, and another one was animation with the PowerPoint. In stop motion animation, you have a camera and you have the objects, for example, lying on the chair or on the table in front of you, and then you move bits and pieces a little bit and take a photo, move them again, take a photo, and you have to think about that. To the movement of 1 second, you have to take at least 12 images. To have it smoother, you take 24 images or 30 images, but in our purposes, 12 images per second is enough. And then, when you have made a sequence of moves where you take pictures, you put those together or play those together, you have a film where all these objects are moving softly from in the scene. So in both of the animation groups, people or students, they invented a story, they made a storyboard, and they created the stories. And we got both excellent animations done with the PowerPoint and also with the Legos and objects with the stop motion.